welcome to Sierra Nevadas. Who's never been to Yosemite before? So this is a beautiful national park. We're so glad you're here.
It is amazing to me to think that 30 years ago, here in Yosemite Valley is when Nature Corps was birthed. We've worked to plant trees along the Merced River. We've rebuilt amphitheaters. We restored meadows that support 75% of the wildlife. It just means so much to be able to take part in that.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's been a blast. Food's great, camping's great, all the hikes are great.
To come here and to see these huge valleys and canyons and everything is really amazing as well.
Oh, you're getting a little, we got a red spot there on Snow Peak. Yeah, that's awesome. There we go.
It's very nice that we can enjoy the park and you can meet such a nice people, such a nice group, and at the same time we can help protecting and preserving the park.
This is going to be the wetland that we're restoring, and I'd like you guys to help with that today.
Okay, there you go, young man. Our newest volunteer.
Well, just imagine, you know, what's happened to this place and all this work that's being done and how much better it's going to be in even 20 years from now. And if my kids take their kids up here, they're going to say, hey, I did this. See this meadow right here? That was me. I did that.
Okay, we are going to be making Spanish paella.
I thought it was really cool having the cooking demonstration and everything. It was sort of like a real experience, like a holiday. You get to see these amazing things, and then you also get to like learn some stuff about cooking, and then we had the different like wine tastings and the chocolates as well, and sort of added that nice fancy touch to everything.
Hey, Connor and Dom, come on up. Both of you guys. And these guys are champions. Thank you so much for your guys' work. Yeah, woo!
Every time we do one of these trips, the next time we see our family members, he's telling them about what we did and where we went and what, and what kind of work that he did.
So you guys are a wonderful family. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, woo!
It was the most amazing experience that I think I ever had. You know, like this place, it's amazing.
Everything's just perfect, and it makes you want to come back and do it again. So I'm sure you'll be seeing us again.